Hey guys, it's Steve with My Honey's Handmade. So I wanted to make a quick video. I upgraded the dust ports on my dust collector. The reason I did that, I always have to switch from my planer to my drum sander. And to clamp on just took a lot of time. So I bought these magnetic 4-inch dust couplers from Dirty Dog Woodworking on Etsy. It's Chris, he has a shop on Etsy, and it worked great on my drum sander. But if you've got this DeWalt planer, it has an extra fan to help eject the chips, so it's more powerful. So what would happen, and you're going to see in the video, these would pull apart and blow apart. So Chris, I messaged him on his Etsy shop, and he said, you know what, I'm going to design you a whole new piece. And so he sent me 3 more couplers, which it was a whole new design, had stronger magnets and more magnets. So this is what he sent me, if you could see those. Bigger magnets and a lot more. And these work flawlessly. They hold really well. And my big thing on the planer, I have no problem at all running this now as long as I want. This will not separate. With the older version, with this version, I had to use clips. Also, Chris was nice enough on his Etsy shop. He's giving everyone a 15% discount. The code will be in the description to his Etsy shop, and I'll link his Etsy shop. So he's a real nice guy. That's how you want to do business. You know, he owns an Etsy shop, I own a small Etsy shop, and that is fantastic customer service. You know, if your customers experience that, if there's an issue, he made it right. He went way above and beyond. He didn't even ask for this extra setback. I offered to send it back. So I just wanted to get on here and say what a great job he did. Go ahead and give him a follow on his Etsy shop. And hope you enjoy the video. Stick around. I'll show you what it looked like. This is how well the new couplers from Chris worked.